Ever wondered how to unlock the hidden potential buried within your inbound calls? Let's dive into how to extract powerful post-call data using Retell AI for amazing insights. First, you'll need to access your Retell AI account. This usually involves logging in through your web browser with your provided credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section where your call data is stored, often labeled something like call history, analytics, or conversations. Here you will see a list of inbound calls that have been processed by Retell AI. Next to each call, you'll find options to open the call details. This is your information goldmine. Click on the call you're interested in. Within the call details, the most common feature is the call recording. Here, you can listen to the entire conversation. You can also find the call transcript, or written text version of everything said during the call. Retell AI then analyzes the conversation and provides data-driven insights. Look for sections highlighting the sentiment analysis. This categorizes the overall feeling of the call: positive, negative, neutral. You can also access other valuable metrics, such as customer satisfaction scores, talk time, and hold time. These metrics help you understand caller intent and agent performance. For sales, you can leverage call details for sales performance, and for customer service, you can better assist the customer by understanding their tone and intent. This data allows you pinpoint areas for improvement, refining your customer experience, and boosting sales effectiveness.